Hey guys, so today I had this really cool idea for making a video where Mel was sick and Janet takes over, introduces herself, and shows us around the Fantasisia Hotel, which is also created by Kwame Bob. Also, I don't know if I've done this before, but a big shout out to Kwame Bob. She made this amazing game, and this is the amazingest game ever. When I'm not making videos, I probably always play it. And I used to have like the same kind of skirt as that girl has right there. But anyways, let's get started, shall we? Guys, I don't think I can do a video today. I just don't feel so good. My nose is all clogged up. My eyes are irritating me. My ears. Oh, my brow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to call Janet. I think Janet will actually have to do this for me. I feel so terrible. I'm gonna call Janet now. Oh my gosh, my phone's ringing. Yes? Who's there? Mel? What? You're sick? Oh, you want me to do your video for you today? Oh, I don't know, girl. Kinda busy today. Okay, I'll do it. When do I have to do it? Now? But I just woke up. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm doing it. Let's go. Wow, that was a super jump. First, I need to get dressed. And then, I will tell you guys who I am. Now, excuse me while I get dressed. Excuse me while I get dressed. Okay, I'm dressed now. Do you like my outfit? I hope you guys do. Because I really don't care if you guys do or not. Wow, look at all those dresses that I didn't choose. Anyways, I guess I might as well tell you guys who I am. And a little about me. Let me just first get myself seated. Yeah, I don't need to walk upstairs when I just have my... Can I not sit on these couches? There we go. So, oh gosh, I'm glitching out. Anyways, hello guys, I'm Janet. I am the twin to Jane, and I have a very good superpower. It's not really a superpower, it's a magic thing. So you know how my mom has, well, Jane has like pumpkins as her favorite thing, and she's always just like bippity boppity. Well, my thing is bows. Okay, yes, maybe bows are a little bit too girly, but hello, bows can be a good weapon. So yes, that's a little bit about me. I came to Fantasisia Hotel in secret. I've actually stolen this room from another person. That's why I have the room key. And the reason I chose to steal room 101 is because there wasn't a room number 1. Otherwise, I would have stolen that one. Because I am number 1. The twins will rise again. But for now, I guess we might as well show you around Fantasisia Hotel. So this is the ordinary room. There's 2 beds. There's this TV, but I haven't turned it on yet. There's couches in front of the beds. There's this really cool fireplace with couches around it. There's a kitchen where you get really cool stuff. Yeah. Here's the bathtub. One time I overflowed it. My bows helped me to, solve my problem. There's a shower and the toilet. Here's the room where I got changed. It's a really cool room. There's another changing thing. There's the kitchen. And now we can go upstairs. I don't know why it's at 37. I don't really care. Ooh, so I'm used to being cold. It's the Isle. I mean, we were cold every single day of our lives. This is a really cool bed. I don't know, it's like shaped as a clam. I don't know why, but I think the theme of this hotel is mermaid themed because my phone is because the phone that I stole here is a clamshell, which is really cool. So yeah, that's really nice. So yeah, enough about me. Oh, and this room. Oh, by the way, there's a balcony out there. I'm not gonna show you. I think it's lounge chairs. Yeah, it's lounge chairs. Do I have to use the key to get out? I hate this. Do. So yeah, there's about 5, 6, maybe 7 dorm rooms on each hallway. I wish I could change my view. Wait, can I? Let's see here. Yes, I can. Okay, so there's about 4 or 5 rooms, depending. So yeah, there's this elevator, and there's like 4 floors, I think. Here's the staircase, and I'm just gonna climb the stairs, I guess. Let's go to floor 2, I guess. Where everything cool happens, I guess. Maybe. I don't really think so, but yeah, there's like 4 rooms. So let's just get out here and let's do everything, shall we? If this will work. Here we go. Here is the main lobby floor. There's a staff only area. I'm not going to show you that area because it's staff only. Wow, look at all these twins in your beds. I'm soon gonna kick all these people out and make this the twins hangout. That's right, guys. I'm gonna take over this place. And look, here's the royal garden. It's not really a royal garden. It's the gardens of the hotel. I wish it was called the Royal Garden. And then I wish there was a garden at the Royal High. Then I could hide in the garden there. But, anyways, here's an elevator. Yes, there's garden floors. I don't know why I didn't steal one. I guess I just didn't want one. There's a saloon. I don't know, I might check that out. Over here is a, like, I don't remember what. A restaurant? Yeah, it's a restaurant. Yes, it's not fish and chips. It's not Ursula's. It is not Ursula's fish and chips. I don't even wish it was. But yeah, look at all this. It's like, it kind of looks like Ursula's fish and chips. You guys are wondering why I'm walking like this? It's because I am a soldier. I am a warrior. My bows are my weapons. So if you get on my bad side, I am gonna crush. There's no hope. If you want to fight me, there's no hope. I'm gonna win. I have the magical powers of my bows on my side. So, I don't think I've ever checked this out before, so let's check it out. Oh wait, have I? Yep, I've checked this place out. So yeah, here's the salon. There's everything nice about it. Okay, let's go. Just running for my lives out of this crazy pink thing. I have to wear girly colors if I'm gonna fit in here. I wish I could wear my usual colors though. My usual colors are dark, like dark colors. There's a light. I usually wear like a light blue, with a purplish pinkish skirt and boots, but I don't have any boots, so they don't give exactly cheap boots here, so I'm having to wear high heels, which sucks if you ask me. But I'm living with it. What's over here? Oh yeah, here is a swimming pool. It's nice and everything. Whoever designed this hotel did a really good job with the swimming pool. I don't think I'm gonna go swimming today, but I'm just gonna show you guys. Actually, no one can go to the swimming pool and not actually go swimming. It's crazy. You are crazy if you came here and you didn't go swimming. Okay? You must go swimming if you come to the pool. So here, let me just change into my swimming outfit. Like blue would be nice. The blue one would be nice. Done. Okay, that looks out of place, but I don't care. Let's go. Let's get in the hot pink one, shall we? No, wait. Let's get in the blue one. Let's go down the swimming pool. No, down the tube thingy into the swimming pool. Wow, my hair just went crazy for a second there. Oh gosh, you guys are staring at my butt. That's nice. Where am I? Am I at the bottom of the ocean? That's cool. I want to get up there now. So, let's just get up there. Thank you very much, maybe. It's not working. Yeah, all I'm succeeding at is getting you to stare at my butt. Why is this not working? I want to get up there. I can't swim, you guys. Why do I have to share this with everybody I meet? I can't swim. Ooh, I was raised on an island with a barrier around it. Of course I can't swim. But where am I? Ooh. Somebody help me. Help me, I can't swim. I'm like crawling with my mouth. Oh, wait, I'm talking, aren't I? Oh, please be the shore. Please be the shore. I'm gonna go crazy if this isn't the shore. And this isn't the shore. Well, I'm gonna go crazy now. See, I wonder. Nope, it's not gonna let me. Well, I guess I should use the magical powers that I have. And my bows are gonna save me. Bows, do your thing. Oh, thank you, bows. That really saved me. Okay, let's see here. Maybe there's an easier way for me to get to the pool? Without, crashing and everything? Wait, did I just eat another pair of twins? How many twins are in this amazing place? Oh, let's see if there's an easier way to get to the pool and end this video. You know what? I'll be right back with you guys when I find an easier way. Okay guys, I found an easier way to go to the pool. It's this area right here. All I had to do was go on the elevator. Which is crazy now to think about it. Hey, I get a jet ski. Amazing. Let's click this. I get a jet ski. Nice. That's just nice. Now I can go anywhere I want. Let's go, shall we? Wow. Look at this amazing pool. Oh, goodness. Tunnel? This pool is ocean water. Oh gosh, that's scary. Just think, I've been swimming in actual ocean water. Fish pee in it all day. Oh gosh, that's just disgusting. Ooh, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was me, and this is the video of me, Janet, showing you just showing you Fantasisia Hotel. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Okay, I'm back, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and put on the notifications bar and like if you liked it, and comment if you watched the whole entire video. Comment, I am a Janet fan, or Janet rocks in the comments below.